All right, here we go. Bacon wrapped stuffed jalapeno peppers. I'm gonna slice them in half long ways. I'm gonna core them out. I found the perfect spoon a long time ago, so if you do a lot of these, find a perfect spoon, set it to the side, never use it for nothing else, and you'll have it forever. So the first thing I'm gonna tell you is always use gloves when doing any kind of peppers coring like this. You might do like me and find out the hard way after I did a bunch of jalapeno peppers and habanero peppers. Don't touch your face, don't rub your eyes, don't go use the bathroom. It's gonna suck, trust me. So here we go, I'm gonna bring you in close. I'll get these cored out, ripped out, rinsed off, and we'll get them on a sheet and we'll get them packed up for tomorrow. All right, here we're gonna do the filling. For every 2 blocks of cream cheese, I'm gonna do 6, I fried some bacon crispy. I'm gonna throw 6 of these in and a tablespoon and a half of minced garlic. And the trick to this is I do this up way before I have to actually stuff the peppers or the mushrooms or the dill pickle boats. I'm gonna make all these out of this same exact recipe. I got a whole bunch of more of this to blend up later. I'm just showing you how to do a smaller batch here. Throw your bacon down in, because this cream cheese, as it sits, it'll soak up all these flavors. 1½ teaspoons of minced garlic. Room temperature, or room softened cream cheese, excuse me. A quick hack for storing anything like this. I'll use Ziploc bags, turn them inside out, and then use those to gather everything up. Oh, now I made a mess on this hand, of course. If you're concentrating, it works great. If you find ones with a crook and a bend, cut them on the edgewise. Hopefully you can see that through my stupid hand. That way they lay flat. These here that are just straight and round, it really doesn't matter. Take the spoon here, come in and get that white, pithy, the seeds out. But the trick is there's still a waxy layer there. So unless you like a whole lot of heat, I scrape that pithy, waxy layer down, throw them up in the water. Excuse me, spoon. You're gonna come in backwards. You're gonna peel that out. And you're gonna run them down. Just pay attention here. And then that white pithy area, you're gonna come in and scoop all that out. That's the area that'll burn you. You don't want that in your food. See that? Just run it. And you want to throw your seeds over here because I'm gonna try to germinate them and plant them. Dry them, germinate them, plant them.
Like this?
A little bit, but yeah, yep, that works.
Oh, sorry.
Don't worry about it. If they're on the ground, don't worry about it.
That just splashed on me?
Oh yeah, it will. See, you come in here like this.
It's gonna get my eyes.
Come in this like an angle. And you can scoop that coming backwards at you. Boom, try again. There's a bunch of them here. All right, here we go. I lined my tray with this, I'm brand new to using this barbecue butcher paper. Seeing a guy that smokes all the time, he recommended it for meat. That's what I've got. So instead of parchment paper, I'm tipping this. We'll see, but I'm gonna put the stem ends this way. That way as I'm filling them, I can start piping them in, but tapering off right at the tip. That's my whole theory on that. No thought beyond that. I'm gonna lop some of these big stems off. You'll see they'll all go together pretty good. Right, I've got my cream cheese filling here with the bacon and garlic in it. I got all my peppers laid out. This is a cake decorating bag. Oh, geez, ow, words are hard. A cake decorating bag that was warm. It's very warm and squishy. Hopefully it's warm enough. I don't have it hot. But I'm gonna start at the stem end. Squeeze it out right to the end and you let go and it works perfect. All right, here we go. It's time to make the magic happen. I've got a whole pound of bacon here. I'm gonna estimate cut it in half. If you're not any good at eyeball, fold it over. Super simple. A piece of bacon. None of this bacon ever actually looks like bacon anymore. I don't know what the heck they're doing. Fold it around on the bottom side and pull it a little taut is all you're looking for. Keep it as wide as you can. Wrap it, put it on. That's all we're doing here. These here, I'm gonna throw 2 of these on the grill and heat them up as I'm cooking the grilled cheese. And like always, the secret to grilled cheese is to use mayonnaise, not butter. The mayonnaise will caramelize off so nice. I'm a huge cheese eater. Love the cheese. Get bubbling up like pancakes. We're getting there. All right, here we are, taste test time. Grilled cheese sandwich, had Seminole 3 cheese bread, burnt cheese around the crust with jalapeno poppers, stuffed jalapeno poppers in it. It's really good.